crazy?
Holy crap, finally.
What the f does this smell?
Hey, can I have one?
Just one. Oops. Go ahead.
That's disgusting. Wait a second. Oh, really? Now try it.
You're insane!
Wait, that was the only one?
Is that Mira?
Rumi, where are you going?
I knew it was you, Mira.
Rumi, I knew you'd come back.
Don't be afraid, I'm here, Rumi.
You think you can just walk in here? Ah!